Okay, so we are back with our fourth part in our verifying trigonometric identities series of videos. In this one, we're going to try to show that secant theta is equal to sine theta times the quantity tan theta plus cotan theta. So in this case, I'm actually going to work on the right-hand side, again, because that looks like the more challenging or difficult side to deal with. So the first thing I think I'm going to do here is I'm going to multiply sine theta through this set of parentheses. So we're going to get sine theta, tan theta, plus sine theta, cotan theta. So secant theta is 1 over cosine. So again, I think what I'm going to try to do, which has kind of been a common strategy that we've been using throughout, is to convert any trig expressions into sines and cosines that we can. So, we'll do that right now. So sine theta is already written in terms of sines and cosines. Tan theta is actually sine theta over cosine theta. Again, sine theta is already written in terms of sine and cosine, so we'll leave that alone for now. And cotan theta is actually cosine theta over sine theta. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to clean up the right-hand side of the equation. So we're going to end up with secant theta equals, in this case, sine squared theta. Because sine times sine is sine squared, that's going to be all going to be over cosine theta. Then plus, these sines will divide out when we multiply this out, so that's just going to be cosine theta. Now, like the last example that we did, I'm going to want to add these two expressions together, and in order to do that, I'm going to need a common denominator. So the common denominator, again, in this case, is going to be cosine. So if I were to, multiply the top and the bottom of this expression by cosine theta, I'm going to end up with, I'm just rewriting everything else that we have so far. Cosine times cosine is cosine squared theta, all over cosine theta. And again, nice things are starting to happen here. Now we can combine these two fractions together, and we're going to end up with secant theta equals sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta, all over cosine theta. Now remember, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is the Pythagorean identity, and that's equal to 1. So again, I'm going to rewrite this over here. I apologize. This is secant theta equals 1. This is going to be sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is 1, so 1 over cosine theta. And as we mentioned at the beginning, secant theta is 1 over cosine theta, so we'll make that replacement. Secant theta equals secant theta. We have successfully verified another identity. Thanks.